Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You need permission and the Sharepoint site URL, so start there. Open the Excel desktop app and save a local copy. This prevents accidental version conflicts. Next, decide whether you want a live query using Power Query or a synced workbook via OneDrive. Choose Live Query for recurring updates. Once decided, prepare your worksheet as a proper table with headers. Make sure column names are consistent. This helps Power Query map fields and prevents errors later on. Now you'll create the live link with Power Query. In Excel, choose Data Get Data from Sharepoint folder and paste the site URL. This returns all files. Filter to the target file and click Transform Data to open the query editor. In Power Query, pick the specific file content, then navigate to the table or sheet you prepared. Rename and clean columns so types are explicit. Once the view is right, choose Close and Load to, and load as a connection or table. This controls update. Finish by configuring Refresh and saving your workbook to a synced location. Right-click the query, open Properties, and set Refresh on Open or every X minutes so data stays current. If you instead sync the file, upload it to the Sharepoint Documents library and enable auto-save. If something breaks, first verify the Sharepoint URL and your permissions, then check data source settings for credentials, and confirm table names and file path match. A single mismatched header often causes query failures. Fix that and retry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.